Next is question number 9. A car hire company has X small cars and Y large cars. The company has at least 6 cars in total. The number of large cars is less than or equal to the number of small cars. The largest number of small cars is 8. Part A. Write down 3 inequalities in terms of X and or Y to show this information. Company has at least 6 cars in total, where X small cars and Y large cars. So this will be X plus Y is greater than or equal to 6. The number of large cars is less than or equal to the number of small cars. Number of large cars, large car is Y, which is less than or equal to the number of small cars, and small cars are X. The largest number of small cars is 8, and small cars are X. Largest number of small car is 8. X is less than or equal to 8. It's part B. A small car can carry 4 people and a large car can carry 6 people. One day, the largest number of people to be carried is 60. Show that 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. Small car can carry 4 people and small car is represented by x. This will be 4x plus large car can carry 6 people and large car is represented by y. So 6y, and one day the largest number of people to be carried is 60. This will be less than or equal to 60. Dividing this whole inequality with 2, we will get 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. Next is part C. By shading the unwanted regions on the grid, show and label the region R that satisfies all 4 inequalities. Let's say our first inequality is x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. From this, by writing its equation, y is equal to 6 minus x. Its y-intercept is 6 and its gradient is minus 1. So 1 unit down and 1 unit on this side. Let's draw its line. It will be passing through these 2 points. And x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. So unwanted region is below this line. Next inequality is y is less than or equal to x. and its equation is y equals x. This is a line passing through origin. And y is less than or equal to x. So unwanted region is above this line. Next inequality is x is less than or equal to 8, and its equation is x equals 8. This will be a vertical line passing through 8. And x is less than or equal to 8, so unwanted region is on right side of this line. And the last one inequality is 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. 2x plus 3y less than or equal to 30, and its equation will be 3y equals 30 minus 2x, and y equals minus 2 over 3x plus 10. Y intercept is 10, and its gradient is minus 2 over 3. So minus 2 and 1, 2 and 3. This will be passing through these 2 points. And 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30. So unwanted region is above this line. So show and label the region R that satisfies all 4 inequalities. This is the region R. Next is part D. First is find the number of small cars and the number of large cars needed to carry exactly 60 people. Equation is 4x plus 6y equals 60, and for 60 we will take this point 6 6. If I put 6 6 in it, this will be 4 into 6 plus 6 into 6. 4 times 6 plus 6 times 6 is 60. So this will be 6 small cars and 6 large cars. Part 2. When the company uses 7 cars, find the largest number of people that can be carried. 7 cars. It can be this point 70, it can be 61, it can be 52, or it can be 43. Here 3 are large cars and 4 are small cars, and large car can carry 6 people and small car can carry 4 people. So we will use highest number of large cars. This will be 4 into 4 plus 6 into 3. 4 times 4 plus 6 times 3 is 34. So the largest number of people that can be carried by using 7 cars is 34.